So what we got here is the Reefer engine. It's a Thermo King C600. This is a control panel. This is where you manually control the reefer unit. It also stores and collects data and allows you to do a manual pre-trip. This unit has an alarm system, and if there is a malfunction, the alarm will show on the display on the control panel. It could also show on the driver indicator light that the driver can get a light that's either red or amber and see it in their rearview mirror. Also, through the tracking system, the alarm will be emailed so that action can be taken so a load is not lost.